It's been a big week of earnings in the tech sector. We're breaking it all down and highlighting the winners and losers. Joining us now, Scott Kessler, Deputy Global Director at S&P Capital IQ and SNL. Scott, good morning to you. The biggest names in the space reported this week. Who would you say is the biggest winner and why?
Wow, well, I think I probably would have to start with Alphabet. You know, they reported results that notably exceeded expectations, and there were a lot of reasons to be, I'd say, not so optimistic, given the fact that they're going through a transition in terms of how they're operating and how they're reporting. Currency has been an overhang, and then, of course, the maturing search segment, but they delivered very, very strong results. On a constant currency basis, revenues were up 21%. They also announced for the first time ever a stock repurchase. That's gotten folks excited. Was
there a company, though, that on the earnings front surprised you the most?
Well, I think a couple come to mind, but the most noteworthy, especially from a pure stock decline perspective, is Pandora. This is a high-growth company that's been able to ward off competition, and it seems like now people are really worried about how the company is positioned and how it's executing. The implied decline in the shares is very substantial, one of the largest that we've seen, and it really indicates that something needs to be done to revisit perhaps their business model as well as how they're executing.
Have you changed your forecast for any company in the tech arena since earnings season started?
Well, generally we update our views consistent with earnings releases. What I would say, though, is typically it is my impression that the tenor of earnings has been a lot more constructive than people initially might have thought. I think that largely reflects the fact that expectations were not especially high and that companies seem to be delivering quite well, notwithstanding, I think, a number of uncertainties out there right now.
And we'll have to see if that trend continues into next week. Scott, we'll leave it there. Thanks for joining us, and all of you for watching. Thank you. I'm Seema Modi. Have a great day.
Hey YouTube fans, I'm Landon Dowdy from CNBC. Thanks so much for checking out our channel. Here you'll find videos packed with all the info that you need to be smarter about your finances. Be sure and subscribe by clicking right here and click on all the videos around me to see CNBC's original series Young Money, Tech Bet, Kramer's Mad Money, and all the latest from CNBC.